Click on the link below to get price. The Isinwheel electric bike for adults is an impressive combination of power, convenience, and design, making it a solid choice for both casual riders and daily commuters. Equipped with a robust 500W motor, this bike delivers a maximum speed of 20 miles per hour, which is exhilarating for those who enjoy a brisk ride. The motor's performance is smooth and responsive, allowing for quick acceleration when needed, especially when navigating through city traffic or tackling inclines. One of the standout features of the Isinwheel e-bike is its folding design, which significantly enhances its portability. The bike folds down easily, making it convenient for storage in small apartments, or for transport in cars or public transport. This feature is particularly beneficial for urban dwellers who may not have the luxury of a dedicated parking space. The lightweight frame, coupled with the compactness of its design, makes it easy to carry and maneuver. The bike comes in multiple sizes 14, 16, 20, and 26, catering to a wide range of riders. This variety ensures that you can find a model that fits your body type and riding preference. Additionally, the adjustable seat and handlebars further enhance comfort, allowing for a personalized fit, which is crucial for longer rides. The battery life is commendable, providing a range that is sufficient for most daily commutes and recreational rides. Charging time is also relatively short, allowing you to quickly get back on the road. The bike features a straightforward LCD display that shows speed, battery level, and distance traveled, making it easy to track your ride. However, it's worth noting that while the bike excels in urban environments, it may not be as suited for rugged terrains due to its smaller wheel size. Overall, the Isinwheel electric bike is an excellent choice, blending practicality with performance, offering great value for money for those seeking a versatile and enjoyable riding experience.